Jai Hind everyone. The topic for my today's lecture is India's nuclear program. So, India's nuclear program, which was the brainchild of Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba, a person who used to own a Mercedes in post-independence era and still worked for this nation and led the ambitious project of India's nuclear program. And according to this project, Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba planned a three-stages nuclear program. Before coming on to it, I would like to tell you about the nuclear history of India. So, in late 1950s, India started importing nuclear technology from Canada and US. And after the 1970s, 1971 war and the US threats of the nuclear strikes, India catered the nuclear technology and conducted of the Operation Smiling Buddha in Pokhran. And under this test, India detonated two subatomic devices and one mega atomic device, which means two atomic explosions of less yield than 1 kiloton and one of more than 1 kiloton. And after this, India was thrown out of the Zenger Committee, which allows India to get technology from the foreign nations and in nuclear domain. And then NSG was formed, Nuclear Supplier Group, and India was denied the membership of NSG. Coming on to the 1974 to 1998, then India again conducted nuclear tests under Operation Shakti, and under that operation, India conducted 5 nuclear tests, and then India became a nuclear power nation, because of which India got sanctioned by a lot of foreign nations and also denied the nuclear supply of nuclear fuel and also reactors once again. And then India in year 2006 brokered a nuclear cooperation agreement with USA, and with which India got a special waiver from NSG for getting the technology from foreign nations in spite of operating nuclear weapons as well. So, what is the three stages nuclear program of India? So, the first program tackles the uranium, which is basically done by the heavy water reactors, pressurized water reactors, which caters the uranium and then break it into two different elements and then get energy out of it. Then comes the fast breeder reactor, which is plutonium, which is into the phase 2 of the nuclear energy program. And in this phase, India is catering plutonium, and recently Kalpakkam, India has built a 500 megawatt electricity of a power plant in Kalpakkam recently. And coming on to the third stage and the most important stage, because the coast of Odisha and Kerala is rich in thorium, which is monazite sand, and because of which India can be self-reliant for its fuel in the nuclear reactors. So for third stage, India is currently operating on 4 different types of nuclear reactors, and India will cater it in near future. China is the only nation which have catered thorium-based reactor, and India could be the second in upcoming years. So at last but not least, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that India has done significant progress in nuclear segment, and to enhance its energy security and to fuel its upcoming waves of digital and industrial revolution, India needs energy security, and nuclear energy generation will be the key pillar of it.